This gold play button is awarded for reaching 10 million subscribers. It is the end result of millions of views and a correctly configured platform. Reaching this milestone starts with a single technical setup. Today, we will build a new YouTube channel from scratch using only a mobile device. We will move through the entire sequence, from securing a dedicated email address to uploading the final layout of your channel's visual identity. Starting with a clean technical foundation ensures that when you eventually upload content, the platform systems are ready to process it correctly. The first step is separating your creator identity from your personal data. This requires creating a new email address specifically for this channel. Open the YouTube app and tap your profile icon in the corner. Select Switch Account, then tap the plus icon to add a new set of credentials. On the Google sign-in screen, choose Create Account and select For My Personal Use. Then, enter your first and last name into the provided fields. Next, provide your date of birth and gender to complete the basic profile requirements. You will then be prompted to select a Gmail address. If your first choice is taken, adding a short string of numbers to the end of the handle will usually secure an available address. To protect your future work, use a password that combines capital letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols like the @ sign. After reviewing the privacy terms, tap I agree. The system will automatically link this new account and return you to the YouTube app. Using a fresh account ensures that your channel's backend data isn't influenced by your past search or viewing history, giving the algorithm a clean slate. With the new account active, tap your profile icon again. In the menu where your email was previously listed, you will now see the option to create a channel. Type in the name you want the public to see and select Save. The next field requires you to confirm your handle. This handle is your unique identifier. As shown in this diagram, when someone types the @ symbol followed by your handle, the platform links them directly to your specific profile card and content. Once your name and handle are set, tap the Create Channel button at the bottom of the screen. The channel is now live on the server, but it lacks visual information. A profile with no imagery provides no context to a potential viewer about what kind of content they are about to see. To add this context, click View Channel and tap the pencil icon to open your customization settings. Tap the camera icon in the center of the screen to upload your profile picture from your phone's gallery. To add a banner, tap the camera icon in the large rectangular background area and select your wide format channel art. Save these changes and wait for the system to refresh the page. Replacing default icons with specific imagery helps visitors identify your niche immediately, making the channel feel like an active project rather than an empty account. You can see the result in this side-by-side comparison. We have moved from a blank UI to a fully configured professional interface. You have successfully completed the visible setup of your YouTube channel. However, the platform still doesn't know who your intended audience is, what language you speak, or where you are located. If you upload a video now, YouTube systems might show it to the wrong demographic, which can lead to low initial engagement and slow growth. To finalize the backend settings and ensure your videos reach the correct viewers, click the link in the description. Download the app and watch the free video module that covers these restricted advanced settings. By pairing a professional visual layout with correct backend instructions, you give your content the best possible chance to be discovered by the right audience.